Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. New live stream. Yesterday we were a little bit messed up because we could have definitely avoided that trading losses, but at least it was a little losing days, and it's fine. Today the target we can see it already from literally is there. It's previous day's highs. There is no other target, guys. It's previous day's high is there already, just a few points more. You know what I'm worried about? These things is gonna skyrocket before even giving me an entry. That's what's gonna happen. That's what happens every time I have a perfect target. It does just skyrocket right away. So there is nothing that I can cry, around it. Previous days highs is the main target for me. It's here. The next target will be the next highs here of the day. So we'll look into that. We have a resistance support here, but if we break and hold the previous day's highs, then we have room to push. I'm gonna just take care of that. Definitely we have a resistance in this area. Support yesterday, the nicely candle closing with a wick, came backward. We are definitely targeting that highs there. What do we have? Anything else here? Yeah, that's the unfortunate things. We already targeted. This is a beautiful double top. This is a beautiful double top here. Any entry here, this entry, look at this entry, support, came back again, liquidate. But actually, you could have entered here was a losing trade. And after it again liquidate back and closing above here, this was a beautiful pushing candle. But it is what it is. We're gonna wait and see what the market wants to provide us. Would be nice if it can provide us, a nice little entry somewhere here that can be used as a possible long. We'll go to the 50-minute chart to see. And yeah, this seems like the best things. If it can come back, grab these 15 minutes, and then start closing it again above this 500. Long up to 540, it's totally worth it. So that's the main target here in gold. We're gonna evaluate right now. Sorry, NQ. We're gonna evaluate right now gold. Hello, Fayaz. Good morning. Daily chart in gold, super bullish. We even came lower during the daily chart, and we retested. We've taken previous day's low. That's crazy good. So this daily chart in gold is telling me, look, we have taken previous day's lows, support. Right now, these things can turn and go higher. So let's see the hour chart then, if we see that. This is a nice level, definitely. This is a nice level to look for longs. This is the previous day's highs. Nice target. Previous day's highs, I believe so. Right, we didn't take any previous day's highs. Hello, Tommy Phone, bro. Intraday or end of the intraday drawdown. Yes, intraday drawdown. Oh my god, it's my English getting worse. Yes, intraday drawdown. We've taken. Oof. That's beautiful here, guys. We've taken this beautiful low. Gold is beautiful for longs, nothing to say. I do like longs in gold, but to take for me a long right now, I need a nice risk reward. What does it mean? I need something above here that does a liquidity grab, close me, and gives me for the next target. That would be super high. So I have time to see if gold wants to provide something there. So I'm not gonna rush the idea of taking a trades. We are right now in resistance. This needs to be first checked as a possible play, because we have taken previous low here. You can see it. So targeting other lows does not count anymore, but we can target previous day's highs and push a little bit more. That will be the best play here in gold. MNQ is definitely the previous day's highs, my target, but it does need to come back and stop these people here. Would be nice if it can stop these people here. Would be amazing. I would be the best. Market is opening in 5 minutes, so we have all the time. No one cares. News at 10 a.m. Hopefully we can get a nice news pump. I'm looking at oh my god. I don't have the right level in gold here. Why? I need to open my gold here. This oh, gold is pushing. Gold is pushing nicely. This is the level I'm looking in gold. If it can come back, provide like an entry, I would be happy to take longs. But I need to have a little bit more of confirmation there. ICT Master, I am someone to ask you about apps. Is there any problem if I copy 10 accounts? You can copy as many accounts as you want. I copied 16 of them. Yeah, I mean, I have, yeah. No, I have WealthChart. I copy trade 16 accounts with WealthChart. Sorry, WealthChart. No, with WealthChart you don't have limits. You can copy as many as you want. With Quantower, I have you can copy trades. You can copy trades as many accounts as you want. You just need to have the limitation removed. Yeah, you don't have limitation. You can copy as many as you want. Yeah. Tradovate, you can copy as well accounts there, but you cannot put bracket orders. No problema. Good morning, guys. Yeah. To be honest, look, it's because of my job. I need to have a Windows PC, and for that reason, when I started, I was like, okay, I will go for Rithmic, because with Windows PC I can get NinjaTrader or Quantower. If I didn't have a job, I would be on a MacBook and trade and trading WealthCharts. I will honestly just do that. I need to sit, guys. I need to sit and I need a coffee, but yeah, the coffee is a bit too far to go and grab it right now. So it's gonna be a live stream of suffering. And oh, yeah, your live account is the way to do it. Is the way to do it. Is the way to do it. Oh. I would love these loss to be taken. I would love. I don't know, this level here is as well at 500. It can be one critical one. Coming back and closing above, it will give the push up to there. I will just these lows. If these lows come back and the candle closes above, will be beautiful and sexy and sexy. Yeah, this previous day's highs is the main target in NQ. There is no other target in NQ. These previous day's highs are the best target you can have today. So if you're aiming to get an entry here long, I mean, and you can get these highs, like that's a beautiful, risking $200 to make 440. But should I become aggressive in my evaluation, like 2% or more? Yeah, evaluation you can be definitely more aggressive, because it's. But then in funded accounts you try to be more careful as much as you can. Market is opening in 30 seconds, but yeah, in evaluation you can be a little bit more aggressive if you have that a strategy that is based, right, that you know you can trust. If not, I will be like, yeah, trade the best as you with good risk management and everything. Yeah, because if you have a lot of money and you want to risk a little bit on evaluation, yeah. If not, I will be like, be disciplined with everything. Okay, let's see right now. Does it want to come and tap these lows? It does look like, okay, it doesn't want. Come on, tap these lows before going higher. Oh my God. Tap these lows. Look at how much it's trying. It's trying there to tap them out. Okay, now we did it. Does it right now wants to come back and close above? I will be the best. I will enter even if it's the first 3 minutes candle of the day. I will enter. Oh my god, I'm so tired. Isn't New York open 1 hour and a half ago? No, it's open now. It's opening now. 9:30 Eastern time. Yeah, 9:30 in New York is when market open. You can see right now the candle, how it's moving faster. That means the market is just opened. If I see these candles come back and closing at 500, risking $300 to make 400 is a great risk reward. But I want the candle to close above. Like it's doing right now. It's trying to do. Let's see. 1 more minute for me, the candle to close. Then I will look for an entry. Look at that. It's coming. 1 minute. Might do it for us. One more minute, guys. $40 seconds. $40 seconds. Oh, no, 30 seconds. I'm gonna get in, guys. It's a bit anticipated. Maybe I'm gonna get screwed by this anticipation. Stop loss there. And take profit there. And I will add one more contract if it comes lower. Five, 4, 3, 2. I would have getting. We're getting a better pricing. I'm 40. I sent you $32, but I accept. But yeah, well, thank you for coming, man. Every time here, my friend. We got. I got you. Let's get this trade. Hopefully, a quick and done. Will be amazing. Fayaz, can you join when I'm here? Can you join here? Can you join here? Can you go along here? Hopefully we can get a continuation of this pump. ES is faking the pump. It's coming lower. No. Oh, no, I'm just joking with you, brother. I love this trade, by the way. I love this trade. Sounds all like, whoa, hey, Ella, can we get to the last push there? Okay. Can we get the last push? Boop, boop. $300? What the heck? I was hoping for more. To be honest, I was expecting more. We had 1-to-1 risk, a bit more than 1-to-1 because I was putting 4 contracts. How much I was risking there? 270 and I made 300. I know it makes sense. I could have had just a better entry of $60. It does not change much. Beautiful trade. Anyway, next one. Let's go 7. This thing's so right now we got our target. So this is our target. This was our target, and we said it before the market open. We were like, the only target we had until now is the previous day's highs. And I was like, I want to say, sure, we're going to take it, but it's the best target I had. So having this target, we were just waiting an entry, a risk reward that made sense to get us to the previous day's high. Sometimes we don't get it. Sometimes it just skyrockets. How many times I said to the live stream, that is my target, and these things does not pull back and it just skyrocket. You know, right now it doubled. Right now it just doubled. It's craziness. Is even one micro contract right now, you're already up $90 more there. But so right now we had a grab of these lows, nice closure above this level that is as well previous day's highs here, and we will look for that target. So right now, what is the next target? The next target are these previous day's highs here. We have one high, we can remove this one, and these highs are above. All these area here at 2,500, but the main one is 721. Are we gonna get there skyrocketing? Good chance, good chance. Are we gonna get there with giving us a chance to get an entry? Maybe if it comes back and does it. Yeah, this was the. I'm sorry, Nick. This was like literally not even 3 minutes candle here. Yeah, I mean 3 minutes candle. Don't be angry with yourself. When you introduce coming answer about the Paraguay things, it's because we have to match time with the other guy. I hope today or tomorrow, but yeah. Out of your control. Okay. Yeah. Oh shit! This thing. I get on. Yeah. I get you. I got your point, my friend. I got your point. And now, to be honest, now the only things I'm looking is maybe gold, so that I can give back my profit. Others maybe with other trades maybe soon. Yeah, it would be nice, to be honest. Interview other people, other traders. No, and I don't care about if they're profitable or not profitable. It's nice to hear stories of any traders. Any traders has a story. Why they get in trading. At least one good trade. We'll cover the loss of yesterday. One more contract would have been correct there. Let me see. 5 contracts. What have been 5 contracts here? 5 contracts. Yeah, 332, more than one I wanted to lose. I wanted to add 1 contract here. Did not work out. But it's okay. So right now I'm looking at gold, and what I'm looking at gold was this level here. So right now we had a first push, people again getting stopped out, but let's see. There is see, it's a bigger level here. It's a big level. I would love to see first maybe 1 hour closing confirmation too. I like this idea to come back to the previous day's highs. This loss has taken this previous one. Yeah, this is not an easy one. Yeah. Yeah, I want. It's an interesting idea with them. We can definitely, I can definitely interview people as well that, you know, are still struggling. That's a good stories to hear, you know, because 95% of people still struggle, but 90, like it seems like in YouTube there is only stories of people that succeed, because people wants to dream of the success, of the succeed. But it's nice to have stories of people that are still fighting for their way out. Yeah, yeah, I agree with that. I agree with that. The sharing aspect. Morning, guys. Do you have mentorship? I don't sell mentorship. I don't sell mentorship. Man, I'm struggling to become profitable. I will never sell mentorship. The only thing one day maybe I will sell is think mentor is not mentorship, but it's like accountability mentor. I will be like someone that follows you in your journey, checks on you, texts you every day. Yo, man, how is it going? How was your day? You want to speak about it? That is the hardest things to be honest. That is the hardest things, because people, when you have a losing day, you don't want to speak with anyone. you hate everyone. Here we're creating a resistance here at 600, guys. Same as like a support here, 580, 90. Yeah. No, yeah, I don't think I will ever sell anything about mentorship trading. No, because for me, trading like as a knowledge, like teach you a strategy. Yeah, no problem. I can teach you strategy. I can assure you, you won't be profitable Monday, because it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It's not what people miss is having a strategy. It's what people miss is having someone that follow them on a daily basis, close to them and everything. So probably if I ever one day do something like that, it will be something related to this. Like it's like a trading buddy, close to you, that cares. I would say something like that. Or if not, to be honest, I wouldn't. If I make money from trading, that's enough. Trading, YouTube, it's good for me. It's too much job afterwards. What the heck? Too much stress. Is it gonna do right now a possible continuation higher? We have news in 10 a.m. It's only 6 minutes past. And we had our trade in 6 minutes of the start of the day. That's crazy. We recovered the loss of yesterday. And we're already in green of this week, green of the month. Hopefully, if we see another trade forming, I'm happy to take it. But it has to make sense. It has to make sense. Jose, what's up, my friend? I'm good, brother. Took one trade, took this long. Yesterday was annoying, guys, because I had the right trade of taking the short here. I would have been as well a one trade and done. Instead, then I took a long here. But this long was a mistake, totally a mistake. Because I had this level, the candle had to close above this level. And instead, no, I went FOMO it. Lost $106 at least. And then the right move came afterwards and continue higher. So that was a mistake on it. Waiting for the candle closure above the level, it's crucial. And kind of a little bit FOMO today on it, because I could have waited for this candle to close. Imagine if this candle turned back, I would have hated myself. 100 shares of Meta. How much is Meta right now? It's if you put I don't know, Meta stock. Meta stocks is $659. So expensive. I mean, so expensive like as a number. Peaked was 790 on this year. Yeah, 790. I mean, it's a long-term investment. These companies will just go higher and higher most of the time. I'm just thinking about the COVID crash, man. COVID was there. And I didn't take action. No, even the 22,000 on the 20,022. No, so 2022, we had a 76 drop of Meta. And what the heck? Meta dropped 76%. Wow. Let's see what we can get. How is it going for you? I would say you're doing well. I see in the Discord you're crashing it. You're crushing it, and I'm happy for that. Happy camper. So right now, support is somewhere here. Trying to find support. First people that went by here definitely got stopped out. Is this enough if we see a candle closing to take us to the next high? That would be interesting. Where are we right now? Where are we? Why are we stop moving there? Do we have a reason? Do we have a reason why did we stop moving on these daily candles? Well, not really. We have some support here. We can become resistance. Let's see the hour chart. support at 500, but that's where we took the long. Yeah, it looks there is nothing that can block this to go a bit higher. From my point, these things can go higher. It's just a matter of time. 2 minis. That's beautiful, man. Look, I will take a long here, to be honest. Would I take a long here, closing candle? $53. This, I don't know. I'm gonna wait. Just because I'm up $300. Kind of. This looks a good one. $53. I mean, how much we will risk there? Three contracts, $150. And the next push is very far, so you have time space. Yeah, so look at it. Yeah, after that, I would regret it. I've not taken this long. Nice first push, come back, but we'll see. I would love to see this. If this, oh god, if this comes back again and stop out these people again, oh, this is. I will go full size, like a normal size, $300 loss, aiming for 600. If that's hard, but if now holds the 600s level, oof, let's see. Might have some rules left for retracement to take all stop losses. Maybe a little bit more, yeah. Let's see. I'm in a good position to don't rush a trade because I'm up on the day. But would have taken this one? Would have taken this trade? Would have taken this trade if I didn't get stopped out? If I didn't get this trade first, probably yes. I would have taken this long. Even right now we're rejecting 600, so not the best. So this is like little range there. Okay. Okay, we didn't take the trade. Vehicle enthusiastic? Come on. Okay, I like to see that. A huge error. I mean, I'm glad I didn't do it. Especially look at the 600. 600, no closure above. Yeah, it would have been a huge error. Oh my god. Thanks God I've taken the first trade. I hurt myself yesterday, guys. Look, if these fins come back and closes above the 600, I will risk it. If this next candle closes above 600, I will take it. Even if it's like it's not gonna be like about these highs, it's gonna be like about continuation. But let's see. We still have minutes to look into this. A lot of weeks, but yeah, people there getting clapped. People are getting clapped there, guys. Here, people that are buying and buying are getting clapped. All these people that missed this move, that they get in here are getting clapped. I'm just waiting, guys. Just waiting. This is NQ scam. Yeah, these are the people who will get destroyed. People enter long. This is what happens. Oh, yeah, enter long. Stop us here. Stopped out. I was right. I had to go long. This is gonna out without me. Enter long, stopped out. I was right again. I should have enter long. This is gonna go without me. I'm gonna enter here 600. Stopped out. That's what is happening right now there, people. Yeah, Bogdan. Let's go. Yes. Yes, guys. Thanks for the appreciation. I see people are very happy when they see a winning trade here on this channel because they don't see that many. I went for this long. I went for because we had previous days highs here, and the moment this market came down, take these lows of this level, and closed above, went long. Went long, brother. Went long. I'm gonna move these things here. You have the win. Yes. I was asking why you're still trading. It's if a really good entry signal comes, why not? Why not? Take this money home, right? Take this money home. I'm looking what wants to do here. Oh my god. No, I've not done. It's no. That one more trade. That one trade day was removed time ago because even last week I took 2 trades. 2 trades is the good number for me. 2 trades. 2 trades is a good number. 2 trades per day gives me room to correct if I do mistake. Like if I got stopped out here, enter long, get stopped out, and then it shows again another entry on the same level, I will take it. Guys, I will go long if we close above 600. I have 2 wins, I stopped on Apex. I would love to have 2 wins. If I have right now a closing candle there above, I will go long. Above 600, I want, and I need a candle closing above 600. Yeah. So I need to see these close above 600 to make me think about going long, because this level here is not anymore. This level is not worth it. But if it closes above, and we have news at 10 a.m. By the way. I'm gonna sneeze so much. News at sorry, 10 a.m. No. Fed vice chair for supervision maximum testifies. We're getting. All right, guys. I'm gonna go long. I'm gonna go long. If we close above 600, I will risk half. $250. How much is 200? 3 contracts. Only if we close above. If we don't close above, no. Thank you. But good luck for I like the longs idea. I'm just waiting for the 600 to close. And if you're going to say 613, I look at the closing above 600. That now is news. It might just go. It might just go. It might just go, guys. So whatever you are in it, good luck. I wish you the best. Just did not have my closure, so I'm gonna leave it there. That's the. That's the push. That's the push. Fortunately, I was wishing this closure was above the 600. That's the only things I was wishing, guys. And this would have been something like this. 1-to-1 risk reward. I would have gone there. Risk these lows. Go for 1-to-1. That's already there. So risking $214. You made. Oh, that's it. That's the trade. 1-to-1 on a trade like this. Even more. You can go even more. You can go. I think you can go even up to 700 to the next level there. If you are like very risky reward sides. But it was a beautiful trade. Just this closure here. I would have loved to see this closure above 600. I would have taken. This enter here, if you take in probably the flag, I guess. I just like to have the closure just because of all these candles were closing. You know, it could have faked out again, come back, faked out again another lows before pushing. But that's a beautiful trade. Beautiful idea. I'm happy that the right idea was there. I'm happy I did not enter long here, but overall, I'm okay. I mean, it's I mean, it's yeah. I get your point, but for me, it's most like you can enter here and say whatever closes above here, but I prefer, because this is a big level and there is nothing above. The moment it confirms the level of holding, you can get any risk reward here up to the 700. So, for my personal opinion. Definitely it's different than this one, because you're like enter here and the next target is here, but you can see it as the same as here. Enter is here and the next target is there. It sucks we didn't get our nice entry. $600 there unfortunately got us. The 600 got us. Was a beautiful another second entry there. That is days where you have to capitalize. That's why taking 2 trades, for me, it's a good amount of trades, because it can be like one good trade and then second trade appears and you take it. I take 2 trades when I'm losing. Why you should not take 2 trades when I'm winning, you know? That's a good point. Good morning, Daniel. What do you mean blew up? Sorry to hear that, Daniel. What happened? If you want to speak about that. That sucks. Were you shorty buys, Mr. on obvious long? You chased here in this choppiness? You chased long in this choppiness here? Sorry for that, man. Why you're close to YOLO, Nick? Keep calm, guys. It's if you don't have the read today, you might have the read tomorrow. Another day can feel simpler than another day just because a candle moves in a different way. Yeah, man, I feel you with your piece. I mean, 2 weeks ago you saw me. I was ready to blow up so many times, and I went freaking YOLO on my last trade. It went luck, but I will not advise it to anyone because that's not the way. Just step away, my friend. No, what the heck, guys? Following the plan. Okay, you blow up following the plan. That's good. That is an acceptable blow up. If you follow your plan, that's an acceptable blow up. Yeah, it seems it's not a day for many of you, huh? Ah. The long where you told market gonna come low and go up. Yeah, this here. This one here. It's a piece of crap. That's why I was like, no, don't blow your accounts. If they have like $50, $100 remaining, yes. For the rest, don't do it. Keep your self-control, my friend. Keep your accounts alive for tomorrow. You don't need to chase these wins. If you can trade again tomorrow with your same accounts, it's good. Let's don't chase wins as much. Today has been a good day for me, luckily. I'm happy that following. Yeah, that's the most important. Follow your plan. You get stopped out. You follow your rules. Move on. Move on. Move on. Move on. That's so many traders I know are very good traders. They get payouts and then they blow up. They get payouts and then they blow up. Then you'll it's they just because when they get to a red day, they don't accept it anymore. They're like, I cannot accept a red day. Until they see green, they're happy. But see, red is normal. You have to take the red and be like, oh, yes, could have done better, yes. You can hate on yourself, you can punch yourself, but at the end of the day, you have to respect your rules. Rules are there to protect you. Rules are there to protect you. The rules are not there to limit you. What people think is that this rule of 2 trades per day is going to limit you to make more money. This rule of 1 hour per day is going to limit you to make more money. This rule of max loss on the day is going to limit you to make more money. This rule is going to limit you to more. No, this rule is there to protect me, because the one day I don't follow it, I'm going to blow up. And I know that mentally we're human. We are greed. We are some B, sh, s, mentally. So anything that we can use to help us is we need to use it. We cannot expect to be perfect, because we are not perfect. We're not robots. So we cannot expect to rely on our strength of discipline and control. But we can rely on the fact of, okay, let's move away. I'm not able to sustain the market today. Let's move away. Tomorrow can be a better day. Tomorrow maybe the market is going to be like this. One pullback and boom. And you had a beautiful entry. And you like made all the money and recovered today losses. And then you're like, but if tomorrow you go to the trading day without your accounts because you blew them up, because you lost control today, you're going to be like, why did I blew them up yesterday? I could have had them, recovered $400 and made money. Yesterday I lost $160. Yesterday I lost $160 and I was ready to enter again. And I was like, wait, it pushed down and I was like, done on the day. Here it's 10.5. I'm done on the day after this amount of trading. Yes, staying more today than staying more probably would have, put me back my money, my bank account. But imagine if went here and instead of taking this long here, there's an alarm in my building. I hope, okay, it's good. It's just temporary. I was like, if not, I'm on the 19th floor. How the freak can I run away from here? So I could have entered the long, imagine, maybe I read it from this candle and freaked out and get stopped out. I don't know. It's easy afterwards. But that's the fact of me having limitation, it helps me to be consistent. do we get, for example, another opportunity trade? It can be, guys. It can be that we can come and I'll give us another opportunity push that should closing above and look for the next continuation long. Is it going to happen in the next 20 minutes? Maybe. If it does not happen, it does not happen, and we're in peace. ES is rejecting previous day's highs. Gold is coming lower. Yeah, honestly, did not see gold coming lower, but it definitely did it right now. So gold, I was looking at this hour. It did grab this previous. Was this a way to tell you that we can come lower right now and take these lows? Does gold wants to come to this low side here? It can be. But the fact of going long, going short in gold is that for me, we're too strong. You already take previous days low there. So it doesn't look that interesting for me. What do you want to do, God? Guys? By the way, if you're new, guys, subscribe. I share everything. I don't hide anything in this journey. And if you're thinking to use Apex, that's my code is Hamza. That's my name. I don't know if I should get a new code and call it Ham, but Hamza is the code I use right now, and it's 80% off for the last day and $40 lifetime fee for today. I don't know what is going to be the next promotion. Who freaking knows? I think it's today the last day. So right now, what you can think personally as an entry is, does this move thinks wants to come back close green, come back, stop out some more people, close green again, take a long. You can aim for this target or even next target. Maybe this can be the trade. After this, I'm gonna take a shower and go out for food and coffee. I need to make a video, guys. That's true. I wanted to make a video about. I swear to you, I read a Twitter post last day, and he was like this. This podcast, people. It was like this. You only need 200,000 funded account. Make 10% a month on it, and you have $20,000 account, $20,000 in revenue. That's $240K per year with one funded account of 200K. Heck, shut the hell up. 200K funded account does not give you first a 200K balance to trade. You have a drawdown of probably 10K. So it means you're telling me to triple my balance to get 20K. I do random duck races. You know why I wanted to duck race yesterday? It's because I said it Friday. I'm honest. It was Friday. I wanted to do the duck race, but it was at the end of the day. And I said, guys, I don't want to do a duck race at the end of the day. See you on Monday. We're going to do a duck race. I love you all, guys. I love you all. No hate for any one of you. Only traffics. I only hate traffics. 22, but wait, funded account Bogdan? Bensuku! Wait, you're saying funded account Bogdan? You need 52,600 for the payout. Just to precise you, huh? Not 500. You need 600 for the payout. I just destroyed your dream. I mean, if it's Apex Trader funding account, you need 600. Imagine because of these. I'm cooked today. I'll see you tomorrow, everyone. Just cheat day for me, really. I hope everyone's good. Man, I'm sorry, Daniel. Thank you for coming as always and being transparent. No worries, I'm not gonna do any duck race today, so you're not gonna miss it. Take care, enjoy your day, and yeah, don't stress too much on yourself. Don't get my emails for the no, man. I don't know who buys what, unfortunately. I just know if someone buys an account, but I don't know who is buying what. And I don't get an email. I just got a summary. I'm like, oh, today someone bought your account, and it's tell you like a 50K WealthChart, a 50K Tradovate, or a 50K. But it does not tell me who bought it. I guess for privacy. Yeah, I think it's good. It's good things for privacy because it will be like too much if someone comes and knows. You're the WealthChart guy. Yes, probably you are. Let me see. Do I have? Can I have? I don't check my email. I don't check anymore that much my personal email. I just check working email. What the heck is this email? Yeah, no WealthChart account. Yeah, yesterday was purchased. Holy Tradovate. I got to PE now. Man, just take it chill, trade, consistent. $100%. Do not leverage your expense. Get your payout and pay yourself. That's the way to do it. People, man, I still don't understand how. Guys, stop leveraging your expense. Stop having 20, 30 accounts if you didn't get payout. It's useless. You're just paying how many freaking activation P and stuff. I mean, if it's their PA and they're activated and they're there, you'll not use them, okay. But if your evaluation, pay monthly evaluations for this evaluation account, don't do that. One account per time, one account, especially when you have not ever get a payout. After you get your first payout, is nice, $600, $800, $1,000 of payout, beautiful. From there, you can buy some evaluation without feeling the pressure of the fact that you're spending money on evaluations. Guys, if these things come back, stops these people, close the candle above 600, I will take the long, to be honest. I will take the long. I will take the long. If these things come back, here and closes above 600, I take the long, stop loss below, target here if it's 1-to-1, or 700 if I want to have a little bit more. I will do that. I still have 12, 15 minutes. Oh. Okay, let's see. Ooh, gold is going lower. Am I gonna get an entry here, guys? I'm gonna risk $200 just to keep $100 profit on the day. If it comes back and grabs this low. Are you using gold from March 2026? You need to use March gold. Wait, let me tell you. Gold contract semi. Because it's not anymore this. You're using the expired contract, my friend. Don't do that mistake. GC G6. You have to use G6. It's the next 2026. G6 means month. What the fuck? What is G? It means you have to use. You have to use February. For gold, you have to use February contract of 2026. Yes. Not easy. Yeah, not easy. Yeah, because you might think still that December is good, but it's not. Yeah, you have to. No problema. Yeah, no, there's almost no volume. You've seen the chart, right? There's almost no volume in that contract. You have to think that there is a total volume of 913 contracts in December contract compared to 227,000 contracts in February. So you're trading a contract that is like has 0.4% of volume compared to no, even, yeah, 0.4% volume compared to the right one in February. Okay, then you saved yourself. But yeah, this is, I don't know if what you always check, but for me, CME is the way to do it every time. If you see something like that, for example, that is the link that give you now I'm sticking only with, yeah, it's a good way to stick with one contract, to be honest. No problema. Every time you need to know which contract you have, you do like this: gold future CME, NQ future CME. You just Google it. The first link is always the contract information of that contract, and it tells you the expiration, which one you should use, and which volume has the best month, etc., 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 etc. I wish we can get this pullback. To get along here, I do need these things to come lower and close. That's what I need. If it does not do this, we can close the live stream and be done. We're up, I don't know how much we're up on the day, $6,000. And I will accept it. If it comes back and close it, I'll be happy to enter long. Gold is selling off. Wow, look at this gold, man. You Bogdan, that you're checking it? This was a beautiful, I didn't expect this gold to be beautiful after grabbing these highs, but it came out to be perfect. But if I have to do something in gold, I will take a long after it came back, grab these lows, especially this low here. Grab this low at 4,208. I will risk it for a long here, long term. Like I will risk it. If not even something coming low to come again lower, but piece of crap. Let's see. Let's go back to MNQ because AES is doing a pullback. Maybe NQ as well is doing it. Come on, pull back a little bit more, and I will take the entry. I will take the entry, risking something like $200, even a bit less. 2 contracts. I will go for 2 contracts, risking $150 to make the same amount, closing the day at $450, $500. But I need this to come lower. 26 right now. Okay, I have 3 minutes. I need to go to toilet. I need to go to toilet, guys. I need to go to toilet. Coming back 1 second. Is my entry, they're coming. Attenzione! Maybe we might get an entry, guys. We might get an entry there. We might get an entry. I'm gonna wait for this candle to see if it closes nicely green. I will risk it. Risk it for the biscuit. Let's see. I will take this long. Now it's fighting the 600 to hold. Not anymore right now. Destroy this long. This hold. We're coming down nicely. I'm gonna give it one more 3 minutes candle. Because I like where ES came back lower. If we see this next 3 minutes candle closing above 600, yes. If not, peace and love. And we're done on the day. Gold, crazy. Gold did not even give us an entry to think about going in the short. Wow, okay. Guess it's the signal of calling ourselves out from here. Wow. I'm still bullish on the day, I would say, for the rest of the day. Colby, Fed, Bowman, speaker reaction. Yeah, Rafiki. That's a good point. That's a good point. Is it? Michelle Bowman. Oh, look. Oh, my God. freaking hell. This candle closes that bullish here above 600. That would be crazy. Yeah. That's a good point. Maybe it's just better to call ourselves these guys. And I mean, I'm gonna take my $6,000 on the day. We need to bring back these accounts to pay out. We have an account of 51,676 there. This is the main account, the closest one to pay out. And all the others we have to fight step by step. We had a long idea here. We didn't take it. It's annoying, but it is what it is. Just if only closed a few more points above, I would have looked for that long. If it just closed a few points above, that was a long for me, but it did not work out. Now it's forming a possible longs. But for me, for a long, it has to close above 600 again. Not it's still rejecting. And you know what? I'm gonna take my day. 52 seconds. And yeah, I'm not gonna take a long here. This can come back, reject 600, and come back lower. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it there like that. Guys, thank you so much for coming. If you're thinking to use Apex, I have only one code. It's my name is Hamza. I live stream every day. You're welcome to come at 9:30 tomorrow. We trade and I show everything. I don't hide anything. Have a beautiful time, guys. See you next time. Thank you for coming, as always. Peace and love. Thank you for coming. Be disciplined. Be a good trader.